No, no. But, well, you can capture a picture while recording. Isn't that neat? I've disturbed the beast. Oh, the beast has noticed the other one. This is not good for us. We're all gonna die. Dear Lord. Well, it's Saturday, and I'm walking my dog in the cemetery. There's some people here. There's a funeral going on way down there, if you can see that blue tent. I'm pretty sure you can with this camera. This is the first vlog I'm doing with my phone. Okay, the first day vlog I'm doing. Not daily, I'm not doing this daily. It's a day vlog. But, okay, so I have like a multitude of things I could be doing today. I could go to that wedding with my family. My dad's co-worker is getting married today. I could go to my cousin Cody's birthday party, or I could go to family movie night. Instead, the thing I'm going to do is I am going to watch Taylorville versus Hillsborough with my cousin Keith. And the funny thing about that is I'm from Taylorville, as you all know, and Keith is from Hillsborough. We are first cousins, but we grew up in different towns. So yeah, that sucks. He's one of my closer cousins, and he grew up like 40 minutes away from me. 45, 30, depending on how fast you drive. With me, it's like 30, 35 minutes. Because I drive like 70 to 80, depending on where I'm at. But I do it responsibly, and I go down to 60 once I'm in town. No, I'm kidding. I go down to the speed limit in the towns, at least. But most of the time I do drive, it's actually between 65 and 75. Can't lie. I hardly ever go to 80 unless somebody else is in the car with me and I'm just being an idiot. But we're gonna watch Hillsborough versus Taylorville tonight at the high school, and I'll show you that, surely. And it's gonna be an interesting experience for me because this is the first game of any kind that I'm going to since I've graduated high school. I haven't gone to a single football game, even though I know it's free after 8. I haven't gone to a single basketball game until now. I probably will never go to a single baseball game or a single basketball, track. And I didn't go to a single soccer game either. So there's that. So pretty much, this is probably the only time I'll do it. I mean, the only other thing I can think of is if Keith asks, hey, Hillsborough's facing Taylorville in baseball, you know, let's go watch it. Whatever, sure. So that's the only way I can see me going to see any other sport game, as if Taylorville faces Hillsborough. Okay, so I mean, it is what it is, and I can't wait for it. This isn't going to be the first thing you're going to see, because I did record 2 other videos. I recorded the day I got my phone, which is the Samsung Galaxy S6, and I recorded one the day I got service on my phone, which was yesterday. And I'll put those 2 videos before this one and all the others that follow it. Anyway, this is going to be interesting. This is going to be interesting. My phone is being weird. But there's Balto. He's being Balto. Actually, no, my palm hit the button. It was bad. It was bad. It was worse than bad. Yeah, there's Balto and JFK's right there. So hard. No, literally, he's a freaking statue. It hurts. Anyway, I will see you all when Keith comes to get me. Hopefully. Yeah, there we go. 14 to 10. Isn't that fantastic? I recognize some of them. Mainly because one of those guys are graduating. See that guy down there with the long hair? Yes. He graduated. He was on the football team, basketball team, and the baseball team. surprised it's that long because he usually keeps it somewhat short. But I guess he decided to go. Oh, he made it. Oh, now it's 14-11. You guys are getting somewhere. Oh, did you see it? Number 12 shot an invisible ball. Was that 72? Can't tell with the way he's scoring. Oh, look at him. He's there.
You got a check.
He's freaking tiny.
Oh, that's gonna hurt us.
How do they expect him to do anything? He tried. You guys are loud. Alright, it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. Oh, there's 4 up there. Ooh, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We got 12 girls. Nice, it's 18-14. It's still 4 points. This is hot potato. You see how many shots they tried to make? And he misses. What is that? The Great Migration. Come on. 52.2 seconds. The clock is stuck 79 to 32. Hey, you guys finally broke 30. That's nice. Hey, the Hobbs is getting ready. Yeah, they're all lined up. You guys always get so close to making those 3 points, but never actually quite make them. I hope your varsity does much better. Like the guys who were sitting there. Listen to that band. That jazz band. Is it jazz? We're running. That kid's first name really escapes me. Now sophomore, I know his last name is Motes. His last name is Motes. And I went to kindergarten with his sister, Abby Motes. But his name escapes me.
Which kid? One who just got
I don't know about that. Maybe the chili thing. I don't know what these guys do in Hillsborough. They could be fucking bitches and taking money from
So you guys lift it now. So you guys lift now. That's how you really better choice.
His brother graduated. Oh. So is Courtney that freshman you were talking about? Is Courtney that freshman you were talking about? The one that's supposed to be all great and has done nothing but fail? Because he's already been bought once. It just started.
think the only time I ever watched one of the games was when we were working concessions at those doors. And we only did that once. And that was like my junior year or sophomore. For sure it was junior though.
Should have been in band.
I don't know how to play an instrument.
That's what you learn.
Hey, it's a vice principal church. Got a computer.
Oh, yeah.
You just walked out. Whatever, we don't need vice principal here.
So much better.
We're almost like a setup.
I am.
Wednesday.
What day you think? What day you text?
That was yesterday. I didn't have service on my phone until yesterday. Because when I first got it, it was weird because I didn't have service, so I couldn't text or call. But I could do everything else. And then yesterday we went by AT&T store and asked them what was wrong, and all she did was take my SIM card out and put that in. And it worked fine. Although it was really funny watching my parents set it up. Considering I literally had to put in the Wi-Fi so they could have it. I had to put in my dad's contacts because he didn't know how. Because he tried, but it wouldn't stay.
My dad had his phone for a year. He's now found out how to use his apps. Yeah, I don't know what the hell he's doing. Brandon not open up any app. But I guess if you want to use the apps that come like this stuff here. I guess this is always been used for 2 years. For 1 year. He did not know to push that. He did all this.
God damn, it took me that long to connect to Bob Riding's Wi-Fi guest.
Do you have data?
Okay. So that was a fun experience. We lost. Taylor did, varsity wise. JV won, but varsity lost by 5 points. It was like 55.
Red's apple and also strawberry and green apple. There's no one else.
It was either
like you.
49 to 54 or 55 to 49. I don't know. We did it by 65 points. Either way, we lost. Hillsborough won. Whatever.
We went to Taco Gringo afterwards. Amazing.
Yeah, it was a bit rocky. Let's put it that way. I'll talk about it later. Maybe possibly. I don't know. Yeah.
Hope you have a great day. Remember, you can be the best you can possibly be. If you like the video, give it a like, comment below, and subscribe. That's always important. Ta-ta for now.